Hey everyone, welcome back to MindNex, your shortcut to the future of AI, tech, and online income. Today, we're talking about something everyone wants: how to earn money online without any investment. No fake promises, no scams, just real, free ways to start making money from home in 2025. So, grab your notebook, sit back, and let's dive right in.
First up, freelancing. If you've got any skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, data entry, you can start right now. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com let you work for free, no upfront investment. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or Copy.ai to help complete client projects faster. Even if you're new, create a few sample projects and upload them to your Fiverr profile. That's how many freelancers started making $100 to $500 a month, completely free.
Next, AI content creation. You can literally use AI to build content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram without showing your face. Use tools like Pictory, 11 Labs, and CapCut to create faceless videos. Lazy hack. Use trending topics like AI tools, tech news, or motivational quotes. Post consistently, and once you hit 1,000 subs plus 4,000 hours, YouTube pays you. Many channels are earning $1,000 plus per month with zero investment.
Number 3. Online tutoring or teaching. If you're good at English, math, or any subject, use platforms like Preply, Cambly, or Skillshare. You don't need a degree for most platforms, just good communication. Pro tip: record lessons using free screen recorders like OBS or Loom and sell your mini courses on Udemy.
Number 4. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to earn money online without investment. Join free programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact Radius. You just share product links, and when someone buys, you earn a commission. Smart tip: use AI tools to write blog posts or YouTube scripts promoting these products.
Don't want to show your face? Start a blog. Platforms like Medium, Substack, or Blogger let you write and publish articles for free. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to help write your posts faster. Bonus tip: Medium pays writers based on views. Some creators earn $200 to $500 per month just by writing consistently.
If you don't have specific skills, try microtask sites like Remote Tasks, Clickworker, or Amazon MTurk. You can get paid for simple jobs, image labeling, surveys, or testing apps. No investment, no skill, just your time.
So that's it. 6 real ways to earn money online without investment in 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and within a few months, you can build a stable online income stream. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to MindNex for more AI and make money videos every week. See you in the next one, and remember, work smarter, not harder.